Okay, let's continue on the SDXL workflow. In the last video, we created a simple workflow for the SDXL. In this video, we're going to add LoRa and Styles to our workflow. So I've cleared everything and we start from scratch in order for you to remember things that we did in the first video. But we do it quickly this time. Case sampler, clip text encode. Positive and negative. Let's change the colors. Negative to the negative and positive to the positive. Latent image and empty latent image. The resolution is fine actually. Then we're gonna have an input from the latent, output I mean. VAE decode, VAE to VAE, and image to save image. Okay, then we're gonna do the randomize, that's fine. Steps 35, CFG 3, EULAR DPM, PP2M SDE, and this scheduler Keras. Okay, seems fine to me. Let's test it first. Let's generate a prompt. Like always, the first time loading the model took the most time. We're just waiting here. And I just cut the generation part from the video for you to save time, and I get back to you with the results. Okay, this is the result. Now, to add the LoRa, go to the Civit AI, click on the models, click on the filters. We are going to look for the LoRa, not checkpoint. And we want a LoRa for SDXL 1.0 and the time period to all time. Okay, let everything load. Okay, as you can see, they are LoRa and they are for XL, SDXL. You can find different LoRas, Perfect Eyes XL, I don't know, Disney LoRas, or Pixel Art XL. I just like this one. LoRAs are essentially the model that trained to be specific. For example, the SDXL model trained to generate pixelated art, or the model is trained to do a good hands or good eyes, or looks like a specific model or celebrity. Okay, let's go to the LoRa to download it. In the download, right click, save link as, and go into your ComfyUI portable, ComfyUI, models, and here LoRa. Save your LoRa here, Pixel Art XL version 1. Download it. After it's downloaded completely, come to the ComfyUI again, double click, load LoRa. Here select your LoRa. Wasn't that Pixel Art? If you don't see your LoRa, just like me, just click on refresh. It's updated. Now you should see your newly downloaded LoRa. Okay, Pixel Art. Now the thing we should do, from the checkpoint LoRa, connect it to the model of the LoRa and output to the case sampler. Just like that. The strengths of the model and the clip of the model are things that you should play with and set it for yourselves, and sometimes you see recommendation in the LoRa page. And also keep in mind, sometimes in the LoRas you see a trigger word here. It means you need to specify that word in order for LoRa to be triggered. Keep that in mind. Let's generate again, and for the steps I bring it down to 20 steps to generate the pictures faster for me. Cue prompt. Oh, I forgot to put the clip on. Clip here and the output to the prompts. Okay. Cue prompt. Okay, it's not so pixelated. Okay, let's try to specify the pixel art in the prompt. Cue again. you need to actually trigger it with pixel art. You see, it's a pixel art. Nice. Let's add styles. For the styles, I like to use a custom node. Go to the manager, custom nodes manager, and type easy, ComfyUI easy use from this creator. Install it, restart your ComfyUI, and when you're back here, double click, type styles. A styles selector. Let's bypass the LoRa for now to see the effect of the styles. Let's select these, bring them here, put the styles in between. Okay, let's bring them further back. Double click, text, and text concatenate. Okay, and copy another one for the negative prompt. Remove these ones, bring them here. It's messy, I know. Okay, it will be understandable in a few minutes. Right click and convert widget to input, text to input. The same thing for the negative prompt. The thing we should do is essentially we need to combine these styles with a prompt and then feed it to the positive and negative prompt, because these are the conditioning that are imported to the K sampler. Anything you need to add, you need to combine and add before this one. A string to the positive and this string to the negative. Let's change the colors too. With the easy use add-on, double click, type positive, add a positive prompt, and double click negative, a negative text prompt. The positive one to text A of the positive, like here, and like here for this one. This is the normal or standard workflow, and you can add other type of styles, prompts. You can combine them together. But for this style selector, let's delete these, put it right here, put these here, negative to the negative, positive to the positive, and the output to the same nodes. Right click these nodes and select collapse. So we have spare space to work with. Let's bring them lower. Okay, nice. Now here you can add your prompt, then you can select your style, and on any style you hover on, you can see the preview of that specific style. Let's see if we can find, yeah, Anime. I select that style. Then just hit Q prompt. Okay, that's it. And that's it for this video. In the next videos, we're going to go through the image-to-image workflow and adding the control nails to our workflow. And after that, we're going to look at the flux model. So until the next video, have a great time. Bye-bye.